Hi there, this is Carrie from Stamp with CT. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I want to talk about masculine cards. At my most recent stamp class, we made masculine cards using products from the True Gentleman Suite, and those products can be found in the 2018 Occasions Catalog by Stampin' Up! Now those products include the Designer Series paper. So you've got Tranquil Tide, Night of Navy, Chocolate Chip, and Very Vanilla colors in that paper. Really neat designs. There are also these buttons, which make a great embellishment on a masculine card. You have the Tailored Tag Punch. It's a great shape. And then also the Truly Tailored stamp set. Now when you purchase the stamp set and the punch as a bundle, you can save 10% on that. Then we also have in Night of Navy, this is really neat, corduroy ribbon. So it's okay to use ribbon on a masculine card. Now some of the projects that we made, I'll show you. These are really cute, the narrow note cards and envelopes. These are great to just slip down in a gift bag with the gift, or you could put a gift card in these, a small candy bar, just a nice note card. This was another project that we made, and it is actually kind of my take on a sample from the catalog. You want to remember that the catalog contains all of the products that Stampin' Up! Sells, but also lots and lots of samples and ideas on how to use those products and other things that you already have. So this card was actually cased or copied from a sample in the catalog, and then I also made this little tag that could be used on a gift bag or the actual envelope of the card. And then our last project is my kind of take on a card that a fellow demonstrator, Liz Shannon, shared. She shared how to make this really cute men's shirt. So I love this, and it was a big hit in class. So each month after class, I send a card to all of the customers and Stampin' Up! Friends that I have as a thank you for their orders and for their support of my business and inspiration that they provide me. But this month I wanted to do something a little bit different. So I designed this card, and if you are one of my customers or Stampin' Up! Friends, you're going to receive this card in the mail, but there's going to be a little bit of a twist this time. You're going to get the kit to make this card. And that way you'll be able to make a masculine card, see that it's simple and fun, and you will be able to use that card to send to someone else. Now it still comes with my gratitude and appreciation, but also a little bit of a contest. What we're going to do is when I post this on my Facebook page, which is Stamp with CT, Independent Demonstrator Carrie Todd, I'm going to have the thread with the video, and I would like for you to post your completed card, and that will enter you in a chance to win a $15 gift certificate that you can spend in my online store. So you will get a kit, and it will have the card base, crumb cake card base, the layer of Tranquil Tide cardstock, this small piece of Designer Series paper from the True Gentleman Designer Series paper, the banner, the ribbon, and also this punch out. Now, Stampin' Up! Rules state that I cannot stamp the image for you. So if you have this stamp set, then you can make this card exactly like I did. If you don't have this stamp set, then you'll be able to find another stamp sentiment that you can use in place of it. So like on this other card, that's what I did here. Made the exact same card, just used a different sentiment. I do want to show you how I notch the ribbon right quick. So I just fold it over. Whoops. And then just snip that end so that it makes the notch in the end of the ribbon. Super easy, but I thought that was a neat little touch. So I hope you enjoy this little twist on my thank you cards this month if you're my customer. If you are not, you can find my online store at stampwithct.stampinup.net, or feel free to message me and I would love to send you one of these kits as well, or a catalog if you don't have a demonstrator that you work with. Now this contest does end the 31st of March, which is also the end of Celebration, Stampin' Up's super great sale that we have each year. And for every $50 that you spend, you're able to choose a gift for free. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Send me a message. You can also email me at stampwithct@gmail.com. Thanks a lot. See you next time.